Hi everyone. So today we are recording group discussion reflection video 1 and my name is Fadzlina bin Zainudin J46176 and my friends.
Hi, my name is Julika Atia binti Kabri and my matric number is J46153.
Hi, my name is Fiezrina Feisal and my matrix number is J46063.
Hi, my name is Pavitra Elankovan. My matrix number is J46170.
Hi, my name is Catherine Puameling. My metric number is J46085.
So for today's video we are going to discuss what are the 4 gadgets that we're going to discuss in the upcoming weeks. So who's gonna start first? Anybody?
Me,
Okay.
Julika, okay. Nearly everyone has a mobile phone and the vast majority of these are smartphones that allow user to connect to the internet and run apps as well as sending texts and making phone calls. Whilst they are amazing gadgets, they are not without their issue, and to give you a better understanding, uh, with a smartphone, waiting for things become less of a pain because you can keep yourself entertained. For example, you can read the news, play games, listen to music, or watch a movie. It can make you commute to the office or those for hours waiting to get seen in etc. just fly by. Uh, Another advantage of smartphone is we can use to search Facebook, Twitter, and makes easy, quick. You can do it anywhere. So, how about the others?
From
So
my side, I will agree
Uh
with
huh.
Julika. I
Uh
will
huh.
say that smartphones or handphones make our lives much easier than without it. Every morning, like after we wake up, the first gadget that we use is our handphone or smartphone. Handphones have become a necessity for life, and without this thin gadget, many people will feel incomplete. This is because we now use mobile phones in our everyday life as a phone, voice recorder, diary, alarm clock, watch, and for making and confirming appointments and dealing with clients. This shows that handphones or smartphones are not simply an electronic gadget, and it is also difficult to define in one way about the usage of handphones or smartphones. With the advantages of technology, handphones or smartphones are becoming a way of life. These handphones or smartphones can give driving directions, hook up to the email through the internet, can allow anyone to download their favorite songs, and can also provide what time it is on the other side of the world. Other than that, features such as notepad and an alarm clock that enable us to make plans and organize our day are now included, making life easier. They are not used as just communication tools, but is also a device which have strong communication networks along with other functions such as audio solutions, FM radio, and camera features. So from my point of view, handphones handphones or smartphones make our lives more easier. So how about others?
So I'm gonna talk about tablet. So let me explain a little bit about tablet. So tablet is a portable computer that uses touch screens or as it a primary input. So you can also add accessory to the tablet such as a stylus, a pencil or any keyboard. For me, my perspective, tablet is kind of like a giant phone because it's kind of pretty much similar with the handphone but with a big screen. So the reason I choose a tablet is due to the fact that an iPad user. So it's kind of convenient for me since I'm using an iPad and also I'm a student. So as a student, we usually bring laptop going to class or doing assignment. But since I'm using an iPad, I don't need to print out any notes that our lecturer give, or I can just note taking it while during the class without using any pencil or any paper means. So I go paperless right now. So it's been last semester, I've been go paperless. So it can save a tons of paper at the same time. Other than that, tablet is very easy to bring. That's one of the reason I go for the tablet. So anyone else?
Yeah, because you already talked about tablet being the bigger version of a smartphone, I'm going to talk about a the more small scale of a smartphone in terms of smartwatch. So let me talk a little bit more. What is actually smartwatch and what is the function and why it's actually very beneficial. So smartwatch is actually just like a phone, but it's in a it's in a watch. It's in a watch, a form of a watch. So it's a smartwatch, as in like you can actually access anything that you need from your phone on your watch. So it is easier to use. It actually has tons of abundance of benefits and functions. So most common function that is likable in smartwatch is actually the health related function, because it has these sport features that can actually track your heart rate, can track your body performance, your blood pressure, your sleep tracker. It also can actually track the calorie, either you lost a little bit of calorie or lost a lot of calorie. That's actually very functional in a piece of device that actually attached to your wrist. And then you have the sport features where you can just slap on the wrist, go to walk and see how many calories have you burned. It's kind of like a device that keep you accountable for your body, you know. And they also have smart features of accepting call, uh, getting notification from your phone into your watch, having a reminder and calendars, accessible on your watch. So I think for me, I like smartwatch because of the very smart features that is actually very convenient for a person to use.
Okay, while all my friend is talking about the smallest device, the one that is more easily to bring. So the device, the electronic gadget that I'm selecting is computer. So computer is more big size than smartwatch, than the smartphone, because normally people use computer to do their works, for example, like store, retrieve, and process data. Why I choose computer is because there's a few points that I will explain. Basically, is when come to computer, it make our communication easier. For example, we can use the computer to send email, either with formal or informal way. And another point that I would like to share is with computer, we can store bigger size of file and data. Beside that, computer has bigger drive, whereas in earlier on, people use manually to save important data to hard copy. So with computer, that we can store as much as uh, more, bigger size of data or information to the drive. And with computer, we can easily access and retrieve all the data that we want to look for. And the last point that I would like to share is with computer, I think it make our life more easier, especially in learning and education. For example, like Zoom meeting, we have Google Meet, and then the teachers, the lecturer, or the student can share the information as much time with writing and doing our works in computer compared to smartphone or other other devices, electronic gadget. It might limit us to do as much as work that we can perform, selecting the computer as an electronic. Yeah, back to you.
Already what's it? Already show our point for each gadget that we're going to choose. So first for the first week, for next what means next week or the other first week, what device we're going to choose for to group discussion. Tablet, we have
I'm good with
laptop.
anything actually.
What?
We start from which gadget?
Smartphone. The
We
first one
Just
is
first one is smartphone, handphone,
mhm.
and then tablet, and then smartwatch, and then we have a laptop. So which of these five that we're going to discuss in the first week? What are you gonna choose?
How about tablets?
okay. We can start
Okay.
with tablet first.
Okay, we can start with tablet. Second week,
Smartphone. Is everyone is agree with me? Anyone?
Okay, the first
okay.
one will
Okay.
be like smartphone. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So second will be tablet.
Yeah,
The
I don't mind. It's okay. Because
yeah, I
I
think
think like all of the gadget get like turn, right?
Uh, yeah.
So the third
so. The
one,
third one will be
I suggest laptop.
laptop
Okay.
or the computer.
Yes.
Okay,
And
so
last
the
one is smartwatch.
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 Okay.
So
So
Okay,
the
I
final video will be like we selecting one of the
what's
gadget.
actually which one is that very best good one
Okay.
So I think that's all. Since Syamil are also not here, so we can't hear from his
mm,
opinions. So I think that's all from all of us. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Bye.
thank you.
you. See you next
Bye.
week.
Okay,
Bye.
Yeah.
bye.